Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be encapsulating larger pieces of metal, so bigger pieces, into this nail. I've chosen Cogs, clock cogs or a watch cogs, I have to be careful here. So I've just chosen cashmere cover from Glitter Bells as a background colour. I didn't want to use a coloured acrylic because I really wanted to see the pop of these metal pieces. So I'm just completing this now. Once I pick up a bead, I make sure that polymerises on my brush before placing it onto the nail, and I start placing these pieces in straight away as that back third is still wet, so I can place these into that acrylic. Once I start to get to the bottom sort of middle-ish of the nail, it's already set acrylic, so I will need to come in with some clear to get these to stick. I didn't choose a specific pattern, I just laid them down, making sure that before the client, or if somebody wanted these, I would pre-bend them. So I would use maybe the bottom of my acrylic brush or something like that, one of the brushes, many brushes that we have, and bend them around that so they have a bit more of a curvature to them. Some of them didn't bend, so that bottom one wouldn't bend, so I just did my best with that. Then I encapsulate in clear acrylic. I'm using CJP Crystal Glass. Again, waiting for it to polymerise on my brush, place that down and blend that into the nail. I'm going to be placing quite a bit of acrylic, you will see here. This is just how I do it, how I've learnt to do it. I tend to put a bit more on and file off rather than worry about having to come back in again with more acrylic. So that's just something I've learnt along the way. So once I've completed encapsulating, I will file this nail. I didn't leave that filing in, I did in my last video if you want to see it. My filing routine is always side walls, a cuticle zone, barrel of the nail, and then the free edge. And there's a little video at the end to show you this completed nail. I hope that's helped somebody, if anybody. If you try this, drop me a comment, let me know how it goes, and I shall speak to you all soon. Take care guys, bye.